Guys, you can't go wrong with a Toyota. And you definitely can't go wrong with this Toyota 2019. This is the Sport SE edition with the big wheels, the ground effects, only 63,000 miles on this Camry. I'll give you a slow pan around it. This thing is as new can come. And we've got it, Conover location, SE. It's got the fine line factory spoiler. Let me show you on the inside. It's got the leather with the fancy cloth inserts. And look how clean. 2019, 63,000 pampered miles. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem here at the Trading Post. We can get you approved. You've got to check out my website, tradingpostcars.com. You can apply for this car online. Put in your down payment information, and we'll go to work for you. Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices. 19 Toyota Camry SE Sport, only 63,000 miles. What are you waiting for? Again, apply online, tradingpostcars.com, or better yet, come see it in person. You're going to love it here, and you're going to love this Camry. Here at the Trading Post, Conover store. Call us before it's gone.